Hey, what's up guys? This is Activates Likes Tacos here with a quick and simple tutorial on how to use the QuickToolsConverter to convert from Essentials to QuickTools. This converter basically covers the main, the main things about Essentials and QuickTools is the home sets, the warps, the spawns, and the bands. So, to start off with, all you need to have in your plugins folder is QuickTools.jar, the QuickToolsConverter.jar, the Essentials plugin folder, which is automatically created when you have the Essentials plugin inside your Bukkit plugins directory and you run the Bukkit server, and then the automatically generated QuickTools folder, which, like Essentials plugin folder, is automatically created. So to start off with, go ahead and run your server. Just for the record, QuickToolsConverter requires QuickTools, so it will not run correctly without it. You might even throw an error. So, I'm going to go and let this start up real quick. Okay, so now, let me just show you. I'll just deny it. So, when I do /home, I do not have any home set. Warps, then there are no warp sets. Spawn does not exist for this world. It's not properly set up yet. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is in QuickTools there is no homes.yml, but Essentials and the user data, there are lots of users. I think there's 300 something of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in convert. The convert command can only be ran from the console, and just for safety reasons. So now we have the four options here: eHomes, eWarps, eSpawn, and eBands. So we'll start with eHomes. Now, when you hit enter, it's going to say, warning, what you are about to do can cause file corruption or data loss. Please, please, please back up your entire Essentials and QuickTools plugin folder for safety. Now, so to do that, what I did is I backed up my plugins folder right there. All you have to do is just copy and paste that to your desktop just to make sure that in case if there is some type of corruption or the converter doesn't work correctly, you can just simply delete this plugins directory and put this one back. So once you've done so, go ahead and do convert eHomes, I am sure, and run it. So what it's going to do is it's going to scan through every single folder in this and every single file, and it's just going to see which one has a home, and if there's a home, it's going to put it in this homes.yml folder. So I'll go ahead and show you once it's done, because there's a lot of homes on here. I think if I scroll up here I can see how many there were. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of users. So 344 total player files. Alright, so now that's done, if you look in here, all the homes have been listed here, along with the home amount, the home list, and then all the information for that home. So now that I join the server, there. So all my homes are now listed there. I'm not going to go to those homes because these homes are on another map, and I don't know where it'll take me. In fact, let's go to town. Let's just go to Redstone. Okay. Yes, as you can tell, my poor computer is loading chunks right now. Sinking through the universe. You get the point. There's a chunk. I see a chunk. They're loading. Wow. That looks weird. I think I'm going to be in the middle of the ocean when I spawn. So yeah, this is what happens when you have a really bad computer. So yeah, so it put me in the bottom of an ocean. Lovely. So, okay, so there's that. I'm going to go ahead and go back to where I was because it was much better there. 3 seconds, don't move. There we go. Okay, so now for spawn, there is no spawn. So spawn does not exist. So what you're going to do, you're going to just type in convert. Go and disconnect just to kind of spare the lag here. Now eSpawn. So once again, it gives you the warning. And once you've done everything you need to do, go ahead and do I am sure. And so the default spawn for world has been converted. So since QuickTools supports multiple spawns for different worlds, it just grabs the spawn for the default group. Alright, so for localhost, I will now connect. So we're going to probably have some fun with chunk errors now. As I do backslash. Oh, and I'm not up. Okay, well, time all day there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do backslash spawn. We're going to see where this takes me. Once again, we are falling into the void. That's cool. If you haven't noticed already, in the new Minecraft update, I don't know which update it was, but when you're in the void, you fall down slowly instead of just falling. So I guess they kind of observed chunk loading, but so you get the point. So it converted the spawn to where you are, and apparently there's a lot of ocean biomes in this map. If I don't swim up soon, I'm going to die. Alright, so yeah, here we are, in the ocean. There we go. It activates in one so that he doesn't die. Alright, so just go and do backslash back. So now, what is the next thing on here? So the next one would be warps. Warp. There are no warps set. Convert warps, and as you know, it's going to tell me the thing. So I'm going to go I am sure. Convert all the warps. And there are all the warps. So yeah, and then bands, of course. Warp band. Warp convert bands, I am sure. So it finds all the players that are banned and sets them banned. There you go. Simple enough. So yeah, that is how the QuickTools Converter works. Soon, compatibility for other plugins, such as Command Book, some other spawns and homesetting plugins will be added. So links for my continuous integration server and my BukkitDev will be posted in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Bye.